Painted me fucking house. Painted me house. Not better, yeah.
It is actually not bad. I'll put it on. It's got a big 60s alley. That's what we got. A big brand new sofa bed we got. It is brand new. Brand new sheets of bedding. All that. Mommy painted the house here. She said she never seen it clean the house. There we go. Then went into the bathroom. Mommy said the bathroom was fine. I'll send you a bit of this here. That's it. How's it? Should we send that to Dundee? Pick it. As soon as it gets fucking in its face now. I got it today, but I'm just trying to fix it up now. What? What man?
I'm begging of you, please, a night from today, please. What did you do that for? What are you doing that for? What are you causing us for? No, definitely not. I'm not, to be quite honest.
Randy and maybe have our own place in the Okay? Stop crying then. If you keep crying, something will happen. Keep crying. On their faces. It's just there, there's 3 places there. Really lost it. Want to go pick it up now? Go on. Oh, it's like that. Stay. Down in the place, like Barry. Chips, chicken burger, or any kind of burger. That's in there, me and my burger. Oh, yeah? You go, yeah?
You should be fast.
Nobody's not selling saying I'm gonna use one of it forward time. It should be fine. She thinks of me anyway. No, Jack. She can't leave us again.
She slept in the middle of the house.
Yeah, I was right for a few minutes.
What's like she won't help you.
She sleeps back with me.
As soon as you walk down, as soon as you walk up, stand there.
Yeah, no,
Stop thinking what the dogs look. It's like,
that was last night. No,
Yeah, you have to do it last night.
no, but where was the movie? Get out.